you guys, it's me, Hannah, back in another video. Just a little tired, but I'm kind of bored, so I'm going to be teaching you how to draw a dragon. So the things you're going to need is a pencil, a sketchbook, or any paper, and colored pencils. I would use colored pencils because marker leaks through, like you can use really anything. And this is what it will turn out like at the end. I'm not going to make like, it doesn't have to be exactly, but this is what like it'll look like at the end. This is just an example that I have. It looks weird because it's background on, like it's up, like kind of facing off around the camera, but let me show you it like this. Yeah, I made this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. So I have a lot of dragons, and they're really, really easy to make. You just need to memorize them, memorize how to draw. So yeah, let's get started. The thing you want to do is just draw a little like rainbow, kind of like that. And then when you get right here, you want to make like a circle. And then you want to, like right here, you want to make like a little like hill looking thing. Then right here, you want to go up, go down, line. This will be like, it's kind of like it's just details. Then you want to add a, it's my mom talking to my dog. So then you want to make the like dragon like horns. I'm making this one even a baby one, so it's kind of exactly the same except it's just a little smaller. So you want to color in the eyes just a little bit. Then you want to make the body and stop halfway, like right here, and you're gonna just want to do this. Then you want to stop, and then you want to go to this side. It has like, the neck has to be like really skinny, in and then out. Then you can draw the tail. Draw it down like that. And now that you have like a part right here, you want to just do this. So like the arms. I like to make little lines here. Just looks cute. Then when you go right here, you want to make it like a belly. And then right here, you want to do this, double, and then right here in the middle, you want to make a little thing right there. Then continue with the tail, like that. It looks weird right now because it's better when you add the wings. So like that. It doesn't matter how you really do the wings, it's what you want to do. That's how I do them. Then right here, I love this part. It's making the fire, like the flame. So I'm going to do that with the flame just to make some more detail. And yeah, that's basically how you draw a dragon. It's super easy. This is a cute dragon, like cute ones. You can make other ones, but this one's supposed to be like a cute one. I have no clue what I'm going to name this one or what I'm going to do to it because I kind of did like all the elements and stuff already. So we'll see. I think I want to do like, I don't even know. But yeah, you can give it a name. And you can role play with them if you want and stuff. I don't role play, but a lot of people do. So yep, that's how you draw a dragon. That's how you draw a dragon. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you like this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn that post notification bell on so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.